Lovely. So we got the rosemary inside of it. Put a few cloves. Gonna put a little piece of a ginger. Yeah, man. Yeah. Lovely. Alright, so just making a nice lovely cup of rosemary. Yeah. And I put some ginger, some cloves inside of it. So it's a good look. Very, very good look. Yeah, so yeah, man, a good one. Yeah, that looking good, guys. All right, because I'm using boiling water, so I'm gonna turn off the cooker. You do not want it to boil, so just gonna plug out the cooker. Remove it. Because you do not want it to boil, all right? Yeah. Cover it for a few minutes. Allow it to jar. Overton, son of the king, big up yourself. Yeah, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Lovely. Then what you want to do, because it's not something where you're gonna boil for long. Alright. Right, here it is. Now, take out some glue. Put some of the rosemary into the water. A piece of the ginger. Yeah. Okay, let's top it up a little bit more. Yeah, lovely. Alright guys, so here it is. That's the wet look. Right, so hope you guys like it. Leave your comments and tell me exactly what do you think. Alright, simple one, but yeah, you guys can make this at home. Alright, yeah, 100%. Very, very simple. Easy to make. Rosemary is very good. Now, here it is. You can get it in hard cover and soft cover. Yes, 100%.